So this is my Gen 8 key, Honda Civic. So there's just one screw holding it together. Then this little contraption comes out and it's just clipped together, you just pull it apart. And the battery was inside there, that way round. Really easy to get out. And the battery is a CR1616 by the looks of it. I was told it was a CR2032, so I bought them and different size. Never mind, I'll have to order that and then refit it. But it's easy to do. So I'll put it back together now. So there's that little box. Obviously it goes right the way round. When your cap goes on, well your cover. And that is it, I'll just put the screw back in. Just a small Phillips. It's a Japanese size, so you might need a small set of Japanese precision screwdrivers. Anyway, it's easy to do.